Hey guys, you guys want to learn how to make this nice cocoa bread, soft, bouncy? Stay tuned and I'm going to show you how to whip up this nice bread with simple ingredients. Let's get started. So in a large bowl, you want 3 cups and a half cup of bread flour. And you're going to add 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/2 of teaspoon of salt, and 1 pack of instant fast-acting yeast. And you're just gonna mix the yeast and the sugar. I kind of do the salt last. That's my preference. And now I'm gonna put 1 cup of warm cocoa milk and a 1/2 cup of cocoa milk with some 1/4 cup of melted butter. And now we're just going to give it a nice mix. Okay. And now we're going to get our hands a little dirty and just mix it a little bit so everything can be well combined, because that spoon is not going to do anything for you no more. Now when everything is well combined, just like this, as you see, you're going to let this sit for 10 minutes so the gluten can just, combine together with everything before we knead it for 10 extra minutes. Okay, it's been sitting for 10 minutes and I'm going to put a little bit of flour on my counter, and I'm going to be kneading my dough for 10 minutes. And I use 1 tablespoon of flour, so I know I'm not going to put too much flour on my board, so I put half a little bit and just keep on mixing until I know I need more flour. And once your dough is not too sticky and your dough is firm, that is when you know your dough, it came out perfect. Okay, so 10 minutes is up and I'm gonna put a little bit of coconut oil in my bowl so it won't stick, my dough won't stick. And I'm gonna set this aside for 1 whole hour. I'm gonna put it in my microwave, put it anywhere warm. Your dough has risen for an hour. This is what it should look like. If it's not like this, then you guys need to start all over again because your yeast did not bloom. Forgot to hit the record button, but you're going to shape your dough into the size of your pan, and you're going to let it rise for 1 hour. And once it risen, you're going to place it in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes until it's nice and golden up the top. Just like this. Look at that bread, looking so nice and golden and just perfect. Now I'm just going to put some butter on the top, and I'm going to let this bad boy cool in the pan so it becomes extra soft. And this is what you're going to get. Look at that. Oh my goodness, nice and soft. So fluffy. Like, comment, and subscribe down below, guys, and tell me how you like this recipe. Bye.